In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to activate two-factor authentication in GitHub. If you want to learn more about 2FA or two-factor authentication, please check this playlist on this YouTube channel. You simply need to click on your profile picture on top of your GitHub account, and then you'll go to settings, and then click on the password and authentication. Okay, and then scroll down until you see a green button. There's a two-factor authentication is not enabled yet. You need to click on the green button, enable two-factor authentication, and you need to set up the key. That is, if you are not using a PC or a computer screen, I just need to copy. Then I'll go to my login into it. So what you can see is a black screen because Google Authenticator doesn't allow screen recording or screenshotting on this app. Simply click on the add button and then enter the setup key because the QR code. Okay, and I'll enter my key, paste it, and then I'll add it. After I added it, I need to note down the numbers 095, 033. Need to input them here 095, and then GitHub will automatically generate these codes. You need to download them. These are in case you lose the authenticator app, and I'll say that I have saved, and I'll click this button. I have saved my recovery codes, and then that's it. Two-factor authentication 2FA is now enabled for your GitHub account. For more tutorials and productivity tips, follow us.